Hello.
Yeah, so those are all
Ha, ha, ha,
boarding
ha.
birds. Those are people's birds that
Hello.
are on vacation, and they just watch them while
Hello.
they're on vacation, apparently.
Hello.
He's going to jump onto you and latch onto your face.
And I will probably scream and cry. Hello.
He said bye-bye earlier.
Bye-bye.
Look at him.
Hello.
He's cool as heck. But gosh, he looks like he wants to hang on somebody.
Hello.
doesn't he?
Yeah.
Hello. I want him to talk
He
again.
said bye-bye earlier. He laughed.
Ha 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 ha. What's he doing now? Making throw up noises?
You're going to make him throw up.
That is so cute. I want a parrot so bad. Look at him. He's moving his wings. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Hi. Hi. I want a parrot. I like
I'll
him.
pay you, I swear.
Hello. Bye bye.
You probably just teach him swear words anyway.
I probably would. Hello.
A parrot with Tourette's.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, he said it.
All right, let's go.